Okay, we're going to just write some simple inequalities and compound inequalities based off of our graphs that we're given. All right, number 5, a couple of things to note. Our number of interest is 4. We have a closed circle here, so whatever we do is going to be or equal to. And every number that we have on our number line is heading to the left. It is less than the 4. So when we write this, we are going to write an x less than or equal to 4. All right, that's a simple inequality. For number 6, we've got a compound inequality, and I'll show you 2 ways to write it. You've got open circles, so you're going to use strictly less than or strictly greater than. It's not the or equal to part, so your 2 numbers of interest are -6 and a 1. And you can write this 2 ways. You can write -6 less than x less than 1. You can also write x is greater than -6 and x is less than 1. 2 ways to write that. I usually like this. They're both compound inequalities, but writing it as a single compound inequality rather than the 2 inequalities split with the and, I just tend to think that actually works a little bit better. And remember, and is everything in between. If you think about in between things, or is when things are separated. It's almost like if you imagine these are oars on a boat, like OARS on a boat, and you're rowing with them. They're heading out in separate directions. So we're going to write an or inequality here. So when we write this, we have, looks like it's at -10 right there, right? And it's at an 8 right there. We've got a closed circle here and an open circle here. So we're going to do x less than or equal to -10 or x greater than 8.